Hi friends, welcome to my best automatic door closers review. Are you looking the best automatic door closers? We analyzed consumer reviews to find top-rated best automatic door closers. We are going to review top 5 best automatic door closers on the market. Subscribe our channel and get more info and real-time deal on your favorite product. Let's start. Number 5. Ozone NSK 580 ESTD Silver Door Closer. Features: door weight 45 kilograms, door width 850 millimeters, maximum angle of door opening 120 degrees. Cycles tested 1 lakh cycles. Color finish silver. Material aluminium with rust-free feature. Warranty 1 year. Number 4. Volo Automatic Hydraulic Door Closer. Features: door weight 30 to 70 kilograms, door width 600 to 1200 millimeters, hole distance 162 x 19 millimeters. Product dimensions 17.8 by 4 x 6.5 centimeters. Product weight 1.3 kilograms. Material aluminium. Color silver. Number 3. Royal Hardware Aluminium Hydraulic Door Closer. Features: door weight 60 to 100 kilograms. Product size 28 by 10 x 6 centimeters. Product weight 1.19 kilograms. Door opening angle 180 degrees. Color silver. Durability test 500,000 cycles. Arm easy adjustable arm. Material aluminium and steel alloy. Number 2. TNLR World Aluminium Hydraulic Door Closer. Features: door weight 70 kilograms. Door opening angle 180 degree width. Door panel 900 millimeters. Warranty 2 years. Number 1. Godrej Locks C0712 Speed Hydraulic Door Closer. Features: dimensions 250 by 80 x 80 centimeters. Product weight 1.37 kg. Door weight 60 kilograms. Door panel width 1000 millimeters. Material stainless steel. Door opening angle 180 degree width. Warranty 1 year. Type lock. Maximum closing moment 14 Newton meters. Thanks all of you.